Hi, I'm Steve from Bowman Kennels, and this is Reagan, and I believe Reagan is from Maine. What we're going to do with Reagan is introduce birds. What we're looking for is Reagan to have some interest in birds, to actually chase when the bird is thrown. Ready to go, girl? Okay. That's what we're after. Good job. Thank you for watching. Come visit us at bowmankennels.com and all the social media outlets, and be looking for future videos coming soon.